Morning, student of class 10th. Welcome to online platform of Sri Academy. In mathematics, today I discussed some new topic related to the number system. In this chapter, today I discussed to find the HCF and LCM of the given number and relation between the number and LCM and HCF. Student, all of you know the product of two numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM of the given number. Now start the exercise 1.2. Express each number as product of its prime factors. The number 140, 156, 3825, 5005 and 7429. Solution. First, 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This can be written 2 power 2 into 5 into 7. This is the prime factor of 140. Second, 156 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. This can be written 2 power 2 into 3 into 13. Third, 3825 equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 70. This equal to 3 square into 5 square into 70. Fourth, 5005 equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Fifth, 7429 equal to 17 into 19 into 23. This is the prime factor of 7429. Question number 2. Find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into SCF equal to product of the two numbers. First, 26 and 91. Second, 5010 and 92. Third, 336 and 54. Solution. First, the given number is 26 and 91. First, you write the prime factor of the given number 26 equal to 2 into 13 and 91 equal to 7 into 13. Therefore, SCF equal to 30 and LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 13 equal to 182. Now, the product of the two number equal to 26 into 91 equal to 2366 and the product of SCF into LCM equal to 13 into 182 equal to 2366. Hence, you can say that the product of two numbers equal to SCF into LCM. Hence, verify. Second, the given number is 510 and 92. The prime factor of 510 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 70 and the prime factor of 92 equal to 2 into 2 into 23. Therefore, SCF equal to 2 and LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23 equal to 23,460. Now, to find the product of the two numbers equal to 510 into 92 equal to 46,920, and the product of SCF into LCM equal to 2 into 23,460 equal to 46,920. Hence, you can say that the product of two numbers equal to SCF into LCM. Student, you can solve the third part itself. Question number 3. Find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. First, 12, 15 and 21. Second, 17, 23 and 29. Third, 8, 9 and 25. Solution. First, the given number is 12, 15 and 21. Now, write the prime factor of 12 equal to 2 power 2 into 3. 15 equal to 3 into 5. 21 equal to 3 into 7. Therefore, SCF equal to 3 and LCM equal to 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 equal to 420. This is the answer. Second, the given number is 17, 23 and 29. Now, the prime factor of 17 equal to 1 into 17. 23 equal to 1 into 23. 29 equal to 1 into 29. Therefore, SCF equal to 1 and LCM equal to 17 into 23 into 29 equal to 11,339. This is the answer. Now, you can solve the third part itself. Question number 4. Given that the SCF of 306 and 657 equal to 9, find the LCM of the given numbers. Since SCF equal to 9, student, you know that the LCM into SCF equal to product of two numbers. Now, LCM equal to product of two numbers divided by SCF. Therefore, you can write LCM equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. On solving, you can write LCM equal to 22,338. This is the answer. Question number 5. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Solution. If any number end with 0, it should be divisible by 10, or you can say that it will also be divisible by 2 and 5. Therefore, the prime factorization of 6 power n equal to 2 into 3 power n. Since it can be observed that 5 is not in the prime factorization of 6 power n. Hence, you can say that for any values of n, 6 power n will not be divisible by 5. Therefore, you can say that 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. This is the answer. Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Composite number, it means the number has two or more than two factors. Solution. The numbers are two types, prime and composite. Prime number can be divided by 1 and only itself, whereas composite number have factors other than 1 and itself. Therefore, it can be observed that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 equal to 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1. This can be written 13 into 77 plus 1, or this can be written 13 into 78. Therefore, this can be written 13 into 13 into 6. The given expression has 6 and 13 as its factors. Therefore, you can say that it is a composite number because it has two or more than two factors other than 1. Now, the next number 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. This can be written 5 as a common factor. Therefore, this can be written 5 into 7 plus 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Therefore, this can be written 5 into 1008 plus 1, or this can be written 5 into 1009. Since 1009 cannot be factorized further, therefore the given expressions has 5 and 1009 as a factors. Therefore, you can say that it is a composite number. Therefore, both the given numbers are composite numbers. Student, all of you complete and solve it. This is the homework. Thank you.